This video is just going to demonstrate the basics of Google Slides. So to start with, Google Slides allows you to change the size of each slide. So if I go up to File and I click Page Setup, this is what it's on to start with, but if you click here, you can do a custom one. So this is really great if you are printing out like content and you want it to be like posters and stuff from your Google Slide presentation. You can change them to whatever you want. So I'll just leave it at what it's at naturally. So layout is important. So automatically when you open up a Google Slides, it comes up with this first layout. But if you want to change it, you just click layout and choose the one you want, and that will change. So I'm just going to add a title. So I click to add it, and I'll call this Rainforest. We'll pretend I'm teaching about the rainforest. Then when I'm adding a theme, most always a theme bar will be up here on a sidebar. If not, you can just click theme and it'll come up as well. So these are the ones that Google Slides already has pre-made for you. You can click import theme and that will allow you to import a theme you've already used in a different Google Slides. Or if you go to background, you can actually create your own theme of whatever you want it to be. So I could choose a color, or if I click image, I can upload an image from anywhere, but I'm going to go to search and I typed in rainforest. So I can just find a rainforest picture that goes with my content. So I'm going to select it and import it. And I want to click add to theme so it actually adds in the background. Then done. So this one looks pretty good. I can still see my words. If it was too dark, then I'd want to go into Google Drawings and just change the transparency so it's lighter, so it wouldn't be so hard for my students to read what I want them to on the slides. Then if I go up here to the top at transitions, I can add transitions between each slide. So I'll just choose fade for now and apply to all slides. You can also change how fast the transition is. I like all of them to be the same, just so it keeps with the consistency. When I want to add a new slide, if I just click the plus sign, then it will add the exact same layout of the slide I had before. So if I click the arrow, then I can actually choose which one I want. So I'm just going to choose one. Click to add my title about the rainforest. And when I go up here to more, that's when I find all my information about like the text, what size it is, where it's at. So this one I can align to center. If I want it to skip lines of the normal stuff you'd see in Google Docs under more. Inserting images and videos is really easy. So I would just insert. You can upload any image like we did for the background. You can search them. It's not a huge wide range, but there's quite a few that will come up. A video, I can insert a video. So I'm going to click video and delete this example. So you can search by URL if it's not a actual YouTube site, or your Google Drive if you already have one in there. So I'm going to go to a YouTube clip, and this one is a virtual field trip of the rainforest, and click share. And then I just have to copy that link and put it in here to paste it. Then I click on the video and insert it. Once my video is inserted, there's a few different things I can do if I right click on it. Oops. Okay, so if I right click, I can center on the page. So I don't want to do it vertically because that will go above my title, but if I did horizontally, it'd make sure it's in the middle of the page. Also, when we right click, if I can, then you can add animations. You can add video options as well, or add it to theme, which you don't want to do. So if I go to video options, I can add it so it automatically plays when I'm presenting, or I can start it at a certain time, end it at a certain time too. So there's some good options for videos. Those are the basics of Google Slides. Let me know if you have any questions.